Today we'll be opening the second pack of these Justice League Panini stickers. This is the one that we were going to be opening. So here's what we got. We got this guy. We got Batman and Wonder Woman and Batman. We got half this guy's head and that guy. This is the Justice League sign. And we need a superhero, so we got the Flash. And we got her. Yeah. My favorite card of today is probably going to be this one, which has like a silver edges. It will. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like it. If you really enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. Bye.